Dear viewers, this is your question 3 of assignment 1. Question 3 is asking to declare a class named deposit with the given instance variables. And these are the instance variables, and the data types are also given, corresponding data types of each instance variable. So let us do that first. I have already done it for you. So see this class deposit principal, which is long type, time, int type, rate of interest, double, and total amount is also of type double. Then it says initialize the instance variable principal time rate through constructors. So here it has given 4 overloaded constructors. This is no argument constructor, and this is the constructor which takes 3 parameters, long int double, which corresponds to principal, time, and rate. Total amount we will calculate by taking these 3 values. And this is also where it only requires 2 instance variables or 2 parameters to be initialized. And this is also a constructor where it takes 2 parameters to initialize 2 instance variables. So let us complete this task of declaring 4 overloaded constructors. See this, no argument constructor. I have not assigned any value to any of the instance variables because these are primitive types, and compiler will assign default values to all these. We need not type in anything. Second one takes 3 parameters, principal, time, and rate, and these instance variables have been initialized by assigning these parameters. Similarly, the third constructor, which takes 2 parameters, principal and time. So principal and time will assign, and for rate we will assign a default value. So let us consider 7.5 is the current rate of interest provided by the bank. So I have assigned a value 7.5. Similarly, the last one, deposit long double. So here principal and rate, these two will be assigned, but time not given. So we will assign a time, let's say 5. Here you consider 5 years. And this calc amount. So it is saying that apart from constructors, the other instance methods are display to display the instance variables, and this method will calculate the total amount that you get if you keep the principal amount for a certain period of time in the bank, and the formula to calculate the rate of interest, everything is also given. So you can easily compute the total amount by using this formula. Okay. So let us declare these two methods, and with that our task will be over. So calculate amount, total amount, simply I copied and pasted the formula. Then display, I have displayed all the instance variables. So this is the complete deposit class, but we need another driver class to test it. Though a main class could have been defined here, but that should not be the practice. The software engineering practice says that there should be a separation of concern. So we will declare a class, but we will test the class in another program. So I have already declared another class, which is main. And here you see I have declared the deposit object. So this is deposit reference, and this will create an object. and I have used the constructor which takes three parameters. 5,000 is the principal amount, 7 years is the time, and 8.5 is the rate of interest. So you can see here the first one. So accordingly, it will create an object. Then we will have to call the calculate amount. So it will calculate the total amount that you get after keeping the money for a certain period of time with a specified rate of interest. So this is the formula, and accordingly it will calculate. It will be stored in total amount, which is an instance variable. Then we will call the display method to display the values. Now let me run it and test the program whether it is functioning accordingly or not. Now it is giving us the output. Principal 5,000 times 7, rate of interest this, and the total amount we will get is 79,750. You can verify the result by manually calculating it using pen and paper. Thank you for watching the video. The GitHub link for all these codes are given in the description. So please check the description and download all the codes if you require. Otherwise, I would recommend you to type in the code by looking at the screen and see how you get the output. Thank you viewers for watching this.